So I'm reviewing the survival bracelet, military grade. I bought this for my husband. He's a deer hunter. He hunts every year. I think he'll really like this. It has the compass, it has a whistle, it has a knife, and it has a flint. I tried using the flint. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sure he will. But it's a birthday gift for him. I will be giving it to him this weekend, and when I write my review, I'll tell you how the flint worked. So yeah, there's the compass. I'm going to show how easy it is to take this off, even with just one hand. Just click and pull. It is a little bit big for me, but I have a small wrist. I'm sure it would be fine for any male, adult male. If you buy it, even a teenage boy, but if you buy it for anybody that's smaller, you can always, I think I read that you can have it adjusted. So the whistle, I'm going to show how loud the whistle is. So not a bad whistle. It's got this knife right here. Comes with a sheath so you don't cut yourself. Very cool. I like it. It's very strong, very sturdy. It's not going to break on you. And here is the flint. So the idea behind the flint is to take the sheath off the knife and just go back and forth on the serrated edge to make a spark. Like I said, I wasn't able to. I'm sure I'm doing it incorrect. And my husband, I'm sure, will know what he's doing. So once he tries it out and messes with it, when I write my review, I will put that in there. So again, it's really sturdy, really nice. I think he's going to like it. It has the compass, the whistle, so if somebody gets hurt, he has his tourniquet kit. This is just to go along with his hunting kit. A really nice add-on.